What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix invalid destination address in Galaxy A56. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your flight mode. After turn on or off your flight mode, then go back to your home screen and open settings and scroll down and click on apps. Now scroll down and open messages app and then click on storage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of messages. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page and scroll down and click on general management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option reset. Now click on reset and then click on reset network settings and again click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.